What's up, guys? Average Tech Guy here. Today we are back with more tech, more reviews. Now, we've all heard of the PowerBeats Pro. And you may be saying to yourself, these are the PowerBeats Pro. But these are actually PowerDots, the one-to-one alternative for PowerBeats Pro. So let's check these out. So as I mentioned, these are PowerDots. These are from the company Eardots. Now, this is what the box looks like. When you get your device, this is the case, the actual case that it will come in. It has a couple of scratches on it, but it looks just like this. There's a circle, but it's no B, so you can't say it's Beats. So you got a B10 on there, and then right here it just says wireless earbuds. When you open it up on the inside, this is what you are going to get. You're going to get a USB to Lightning cable, and you're going to get the device itself with 2 earbuds and some extra ear tips on the inside as well. Now, the casing is basically just that. Nice hard outer shell. You get lightning adapter back here in the back, and that's pretty much it. Now, it does wireless charge, but it will not fast wireless charge. So you're going to have to use a weaker wireless charge device, no fast wireless charging. And this should not be plugged up to a fast wireless charger because it may damage the device itself. You may see my phone in the back. That's my Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus. And when you open these up, they actually automatically just pair. You can see the little blue lights blinking on the inside right here. You got your left and your right ear, and you see my phone just did some stuff back there to let me know that we are connected. When you take this out, this is actually what you get. So this is where you're going to charge at, and I'll sit this down so we can look at this one and examine it. This is your action button right here. One tap is going to play songs, answer calls. You got volume up here. Nice and comfortable around the ear. Nice hard plastic, but it's not too hard to where it actually impedes on your comfort level. Ear tip, charging port right here, or your little chargers where when you put it in there, it wirelessly charges. And that's pretty much it. These things snap onto the ear. So I'm going to put this one on. I actually have it in my ear. And I'm just going to take my phone. So, Lil Talib Kweli, J Electronica. Now, I'm just going to actually press on the... Okay, I stopped the music right there. Now, your voice assistant also works. So if you hold down on that little action button right there, find the nearest restaurant. Okay, so it actually works. Finding the nearest restaurant, it's going to actually pull up, and then if I press again, after that goes off, my music comes back on, and let me just show you how my music has started back up. There we go. If I want to double tap on this, it's going to skip songs. If I triple tap, it goes back a song, and triple tap again, goes back to the original song that I was just on from the very beginning. Everything works well in that aspect. So functionality is a big thumbs up. They work, no issues. I've had no skipping, no lag, no nothing. Now, these right here are going to get you 4 hours of talk time. It's going to get you 8 hours of listening time. You get a total of 24 hours with this case. So it's pretty good deal. You actually get noise isolation, not cancellation. So just noise isolation. They magnetically just kind of go in. You can see when they just kind of magnetically sit in there. So really nice product. They got quick pair as soon as you open them up. And actually, I want to bring my Apple device in. So what I'm going to do is turn my Bluetooth off on my phone over there. And I'm going to try to do this with one hand. There we go. As soon as you open them up, they come up and let you know, not your PowerBeats, do you want to connect? So I can actually connect these directly to my Apple iPad, my iPhone, whatever Apple device you have, you can connect these up. Bluetooth 5.0, it's the one-to-one design. Has a 400-hour standby, and like I said, you have the voice activated assistant. So really good, well-built device. No issues out of this one. Sound quality is great. Price is even better. These Eardots are going to cost you about $79 compared to the $250 PowerBeats. So I think it's a really great buy. They sound good. They feel good in the ear. You're going to get a better price point with this, and you get a lifetime warranty with these. So if any problems come up, you send them back to the company. And the best thing about it, they're right here in the US. So you send them back, you get them back very quickly if you have any issues. Great company to work with. I've actually tried some of their other products before, and I stand behind them 100%. So I'll be sure and drop a link below so you can check these out for yourself. Once again, these are PowerDots by the company Eardots. I'm gonna leave that link. You can check them out. Hopefully they work for you just like they have for me. Until next time, be sure to give me that thumbs up and please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.